How to hide birthday on Telegram on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Telegram app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Edit in the top right corner. Now, select Change below the birthday. Here, you'll see Who Can See My Birthday section. To hide your birthday from everyone, select Nobody. If you don't see the Nobody option, Telegram may instead provide options such as Everybody, My Contacts, or Nobody, depending on your version of the app. Once you've selected Nobody, go back and tap Done on the top right corner to save the changes. Your birthday will now be hidden from other Telegram users. And that's how you can hide your birthday on Telegram on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.